What if becoming a real estate millionaire wasn't about luck, inheritance, or Wall Street, but a repeatable path anyone can start with modest savings and relentless focus? Forget the gurus selling dreams. The truth is, thousands of ordinary people become real estate millionaires every year, not by flipping houses on TV, but by mastering fundamentals, leveraging time, and compounding small wins into generational wealth. Part 1. Start before you're ready. Most beginners wait for perfect credit, huge savings, or market certainty. Millionaires start now, with what they have. Your first deal doesn't need to be glamorous. Buy a duplex in a stable neighborhood using an FHA loan, just 3.5% down. Live in one unit, rent the other. Suddenly, your housing cost drops or disappears, and you build equity while tenants pay your mortgage. This house hacking strategy is the ultimate beginner hack. It builds credit, cash flow, and investor credibility simultaneously. Don't chase appreciation, chase cash flow and forced equity. Fix up the property, raise rents to market rate, and refinance in 12 to 18 months to pull out your initial investment. Now you're playing with house money and ready for deal number 2. Part 2. The snowball effect. Once you've stabilized your first property, you don't stop. You use the equity and cash flow from the first deal to fund the second. This is often called the BRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. It's not about owning 100 homes overnight. It's about adding one quality asset every year or two. Over a decade, 5 properties can generate enough passive income to replace your salary. It's boring, it's slow, and it works. Part 3. The millionaire mindset. Real estate isn't just about bricks, it's about psychology. Most people quit when a toilet breaks or a tenant leaves. Millionaires view problems as business expenses, not personal disasters. They build reserves, they screen tenants rigorously, and they treat it like a business, not a hobby. And let's not forget the silent partner, the tax code. Depreciation, write-offs, and 1031 exchanges mean you keep more of what you earn compared to a W-2 job. Becoming a real estate millionaire is achievable. It requires education, patience, and the courage to take that first imperfect step. Stop waiting for the crash. Stop waiting for permission. Find your market, run the numbers, and make an offer. Your future self is waiting.
Think like a business owner, not a gambler. Real estate isn't speculation, it's operations. Treat each property like a small business. Track income, expenses, maintenance reserves, and cap rates. Focus on markets with strong fundamentals, job growth, population inflow, and landlord-friendly laws. Think Indianapolis, Raleigh, or Phoenix suburbs, not just coastal hotspots. Avoid emotional purchases. Use data, crime stats, school ratings, rent-to-price ratios. Build a team early, a reliable property manager, a sharp CPA, a lender who understands investors. Your goal isn't to own the most properties, but to own the right ones that generate consistent, scalable cash flow with minimal headaches.
Part 3. Leverage time and other people's money. Millionaires don't use only their cash, they use smart leverage. After your first deal, tap into home equity lines of credit, HELOCs, or portfolio lenders to fund down payments. Partner with silent investors for bigger projects. Offer them 70% of profits for 100% of capital. As your portfolio grows, shift from single-family homes to small multifamily, 4 to 20 units, where economies of scale reduce per unit costs. Remember, inflation works in your favor. Your mortgage payment stays fixed while rents rise, boosting cash flow over time. And unlike stocks, real estate gives you control. You can increase value through renovations, better management, or rezoning. Part 4. Scale beyond direct ownership. Once you've built equity and experience, diversify. Invest in real estate syndications or crowdfunding platforms to access commercial deals without day-to-day management. These offer passive income and tax advantages like depreciation and 1031 exchanges. Or create your own ecosystem. Launch a property management company, a renovation crew, or a coaching program. The richest real estate investors don't just own assets. They own systems that multiply returns. 5. Protect and compound relentlessly. Wealth isn't made in one deal. It's preserved through discipline. Reinvest profits. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Hold properties long-term to benefit from appreciation tax deferrals, and compounding cash flow. Structure ownership through LLCs for liability protection. Work with a tax strategist to maximize deductions and utilize cost segregation. Most importantly, stay educated. Markets evolve. Regulations shift. The millionaires who last are those who adapt while staying rooted in core principles. Buy right, manage well, think long-term. If this roadmap inspires you to take your first step or your next one, please like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI, Web3, and intelligent strategies to build lasting wealth. Through real estate, innovation, and timeless financial wisdom. Because becoming a millionaire isn't about magic, it's about method. And your journey starts today.